Look at the boy there on the screen in front of now. Him name BAGGA BAH. And the boy him do a wicked act. When you see the title, him and a boy named CORY MAX. You see what them do to the little girl. And dump her body down at the power station. This are in a garden, the pumping station down a garden. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I want to talk about the boy. Now, look on the picture in front of you. When you know when I look on, you want me to tell you that a Jim Brown on the left and Mr. WONG on the right. Now, this is in the 80s when Jim Brown run things and Mr. WONG them are the top man in a garden, and them places them a send things go foreign, them a smuggle, them a this, them a that. Now a them man ya run CORY and BAGGA BAH. Now I want you to listen to me now, cause me I tell you now how the little girl get caught up in this fuckery with them waste man ya, yo. But the reason why me I do that video, me I do it for show you how Jamaica stay. A long time Jamaica stay. So when you see the little girl we get her throat cut and thing, and a man might think say, yeah man, no, it's not the first time. Me I show you this. Now you have BAGGA BAH, CORY, one Bagga man around behind Dudus and Jim Brown and them man there in a garden. Now you have Mr. WONG. Him was one of the top man. You understand? Mr. WONG at the time him owned Queen's Theatre. And at Queen's Theatre you used to have a man out there. If you don't know Queen's Theatre there, you used to have a man out there who sell cigarettes and sweetie right outside of Queen's Theatre at night. Now Mr. Green, him have him daughter and she sit down at the stall and she sell stuff with her father and then play domino and lodi. You understand? Now, I want you to follow me closely, you know. So Mr. Green, him take care of him daughter. Him not make him daughter talk to none of the little Lego boy them or nothing. But him daughter used to talk to Mr. WONG. Cause him know say Mr. WONG is a top ranking. So Mr. Green, the man we are sell in front of Mr. WONG business, him couldn't do anything about it. You understand? Now Mr. WONG start sleep with Mr. Green daughter, you know. And it was something the man never liked, but him couldn't do anything about it. Cause them a bad man, you see who him flex with Jim Brown and them thing there. So now the man asleep with the young girl, you know. I fuck off the little girl, pardon my language. And him wife find out, and him wife come and fight off the little girl and beat off the girl. I think Mr. Green did have to get up because you don't know that are the Dan and the Dan wife, and I dare say him sell him little cigarette and him sell him little candy and them little thing there and play domino and ludi. So all of that mash up. Then after that, how about them find the little girl dead down at the pumping station in a garden. Now, it's alleged that Mr. Wong order BAGGA BAH and CORY for kill the little girl and dump her body down at the pumping station. Now, wanna see how wicked them Jamaican people is. The man, Mr. Green, is between a rock and a hard place. Then Mr. Wong's wife come in, beat off the little girl. Little pitney, you know. Little pitney. After them beat off the little girl, them order Mr. Wong, them say order Bah and CORY for kill the little girl and dump her body down at the pumping station down in a Tivoli. What the fuck? Now, look on the picture there. That a BAGGA BAH, you know. Them say him kill over 100 people. And the police them kill him, you know, in a 1997. And when the police them kill him, them charge 3 police for kill him, you know, cause them say the police them go in at the house and him was up in at the ceiling and them shoot him up in at the ceiling. The family member them was disputing it, say he wasn't in the ceiling and him never point gun off of the police them. Now, in murder trial car, the police them go on trial after them kill him. Now, this is a man where kill over 100 people plus kill Mr. Green daughter, you know. The poor little man where sell cigarette and candy. You see how them Jamaican pussy they stay, man. That's why I don't respect no Jamaican boy who say them a bad boy, you know. You see, if me can live in a country like Jamaica, we are the most violent country on the planet, and no politician are dead, but people like those are dying, and I say a bad man go suck on the mama and go, yo, pussy. Me no want to hear it from them, yo. This dude, police put him on the most wanted and them kill him. And then them charge the police. Long story short, police them end up bust the case cause them go to the house. Him family house, you know. Where him dead, you know. And them do a thorough investigation, you know, in the trial, you know. And them find out, say, yeah, there was a space in the ceiling where the pussy hide. And the man them beat the charge. But, yo, Jamaica have some of the most notorious bad man rapists. The bad man rapists them. Them just as notorious as the gay bad man them, yo. And what them do, them inflict all sort of crime on the people them in them community. Now Mr. Green, him coulda do nothing, you know. Cause if I did some other youth talk to Mr. Green daughter, Mr. Green woulda run the boy them way. But because it's Mr. Wong, and him have money and own Queen's Theatre, and him and Jim Brown, my friend, as you can see. And yeah, him a fuck the girl, the man daughter, little girl. Why find out, beat up the girl, and then 2 twos, you know, them find her dead down at the pumping station and garden, yo. If that not crazy and sick, yo, I don't know what is crazy. Top note, I want to make a note here before I go. Not Mr. Wong, but the boy here, BAGGA BAH. him was put on the list by Edward Seaga, you know. Cause one thing with Seaga, after a while, him going a garden and find out who do the fuckery, you know, and put them on the list. And when Seaga put you on a list, you know, say, I fuck you fuck. And him gonna turn himself in, and the police them kill him. So I just want to know how notorious that pussy there was. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Really sad.